And today for the steam machines, we're using our Tekna machine, which is the 4.5 bar. Don't forget there's also the 8 bar version if you need a little more power. But these machines come with detergent capability as well as a steam and vacuum. One of the most popular attachments for detail cleaning is this nozzle here. It's our 80mm vacuum nozzle with the small brush attachment below. Now here I've got our small extra tough brush, the Bakelite brush, attached. We also have standard nylon brushes and also the brass brushes. Can be used for a variety of different reasons, but one of the most popular reasons to use these brushes is the grout lines in tiles, and they can be very, very effective. If we just turn the vacuum on with the button at the back here, and then we use the steam to clean. A really, really simple way to clean grout, and incredibly effective and fast, but with the vacuum you're getting it all cleaned up at the same time. That demonstration actually was just with steam, but we can turn on the detergent function, which does add more cleaning power. Thanks for watching.